If you're wondering how to connect Top Echelon with LinkedIn, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to integrate these two platforms so you can supercharge your recruiting and business development efforts with ease. Top Echelon is a powerful recruiting software that streamlines candidate sourcing, placement tracking, and networking with other recruiters. But what makes it even more effective is the ability to connect with LinkedIn, one of the top platforms for professional networking. By linking Top Echelon with LinkedIn, you'll be able to expand your reach, manage candidates more effectively, and even leverage LinkedIn's professional network to find more top talent. To start, the first thing you'll need to do is access your Top Echelon account and navigate to the Integrations section. From there, you'll find the LinkedIn integration option. Just click on it, and you'll be prompted to log into your LinkedIn account. Once you've connected your LinkedIn, Top Echelon will allow you to import candidates, contacts, and even jobs directly from your LinkedIn network. This integration means you no longer need to switch between platforms constantly. You can view candidate profiles, messages, and even contact information without leaving Top Echelon. You'll also be able to track all your interactions with candidates directly from within the system, which makes your workflow much smoother. One of the coolest things about connecting Top Echelon with LinkedIn is how it enhances candidate search. LinkedIn's vast database of professionals is now available within Top Echelon's search feature. You can filter candidates based on LinkedIn profiles and get more precise results when looking for specific skill sets, locations, or job titles. Also, when you connect Top Echelon to LinkedIn, it becomes easier to keep your pipeline updated. Every time you interact with a candidate on LinkedIn, whether it's messaging, endorsements, or new job updates, those activities can sync with your Top Echelon account, saving you time on data entry and keeping everything in one place. Additionally, this integration improves the candidate outreach process. You can use LinkedIn's messaging capabilities alongside Top Echelon's tools for managing your recruitment pipeline. For example, if you have a candidate you're tracking on Top Echelon, you can quickly send them a message through LinkedIn without leaving the system, and vice versa. It makes outreach much more streamlined. Now, a pro tip when using LinkedIn integration. Take full advantage of the syncing features. You can tag candidates with specific keywords from your LinkedIn messages or profile notes. This allows you to categorize candidates more effectively within Top Echelon. With better categorization, you can tailor your search queries and identify high-priority candidates faster. Remember, if you're new to Top Echelon, you can use the software completely free through the first link in the description below. With this exclusive offer, you'll also receive extended bonuses, which give you even more value. You can start using Top Echelon's LinkedIn integration right away and improve your recruiting efforts with just a few clicks. If you want to supercharge your recruiting process, don't hesitate to take advantage of the free trial. This is a limited time offer, and you can access it right now through the link below. It's a simple and powerful tool that will save you hours in your workflow and help you build stronger connections with top talent. By connecting Top Echelon with LinkedIn, you're not just simplifying your recruiting process, you're unlocking a world of potential candidates and professional networks, all from one powerful system. You're just a few clicks away from making your recruiting more efficient and effective. So, go ahead and try the exclusive free trial using the link below, and make sure to explore all the features that Top Echelon has to offer. It's time to upgrade your recruiting game with LinkedIn integration and start seeing results right away.